Greetings, dear friends. Today I invite you to discover the amazing power hidden in the most ordinary fruit, the lemon. You may think you know everything about it, but what if I told you that lemon can change not only your health, but also your soul? This yellow fruit that we see so often in our kitchens has amazing energy and symbolism that we rarely think about. Are you ready to learn how lemon can be your ally in your search for clarity and freshness in your life? Watch this video to the end and you will discover a new world of possibilities. Lemon is much more than just a fruit we often see in the kitchen. This little yellow fruit has amazing properties and can have a huge impact on our health and state of mind. Different cultures have used lemon not only in cooking, but also in cleansing and protection rituals. For example, in ancient Egypt, the Egyptians used lemon in rituals to cleanse themselves of negative energy. Lemons were brought into homes to protect the family from evil spirits and disease. This fruit was also honored as a symbol of health and longevity. In ancient times, it was believed that lemon had healing properties and helped in the treatment of various ailments. In ancient Greece, lemons were used to improve digestion and fight infections. This tradition has survived to this day, and many of us used lemon on a daily basis to maintain our health. In India, lemon holds a special place in cultures and traditions. It is often used in rituals and to protect against the evil eye. At the entrance of homes and stores, lemons are hung along with dried peppers to ward off negative energy. This practice is based on the belief that lemon can create a protective barrier against all things evil. In India, lemon is also used in Ayurvedic medicine. It is believed to help maintain balance in the body, purify the blood, and improve digestion. Lemon juice is often added to herbal infusions to enhance their healing properties. In this way, lemon becomes not only a healthy product, but also an important element of spiritual practice and self-awareness. But how does lemon affect our inner state? It's all about its unique cleansing properties. The citric acid that is proven, and it's very present and sympathetic properties. It helps cleanse the body of toxins, improves digestion, and boosts the immune system. Moreover, lemon not only helps in bodily cleansing, but also in mental cleansing. Its fresh flavor can improve mood and increase productivity. Studies show that lemon flavor can reduce stress and anxiety levels, helping people focus on their tasks and find inner peace. Let's look at a few practical ways to use lemon to cleanse the body and mind. One of the simplest and most effective ways is a morning ritual with a glass of warm water with lemon. This drink helps kickstart the metabolism, cleanses the liver, and helps eliminate toxins from the body. Lemon water is not only healthy, but it also helps to perk you up in the morning, giving you energy for the whole day. It also aids digestion, boosts your immune system, and even helps keep your skin healthy. This ritual is a great way to start your day on a positive note and increase your productivity. Aromatherapy is another way to use lemon to improve emotional well-being. Lemon essential oil has a refreshing aroma that can help reduce stress levels and improve your mood. You can use lemon oil in an aroma lamp or add a few drops to your bath to create a relaxing atmosphere. Lemon scent helps to refresh the mind, improve concentration, and boost your mood. In addition, studies show that lemon flavor can improve cognitive function and promote mental clarity, making it an ideal aid for studying and working. Lemon can also help with the meditation and relaxation process. You can use lemon scent during meditation to create an atmosphere of clarity and calmness. Study shows that the scent of lemon helps you improve your focus and go deeper into a meditative state. Place a lemon or a drop of lemon oil next to you to enhance the effect. This will help you clear your mind of unnecessary thoughts and focus on the present moment. You can also create a lemon meditation ritual where you visualize how the light and energy of the lemon fills your body, cleansing it of all negative emotions. In cooking, lemon also holds a special place. It not only improves the flavor of dishes, but also brings health benefits. Citric acid helps to better absorb iron from food, which helps to improve blood circulation and increases energy levels. Lemon is also rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight infections. Adding lemon to salads, drinks, or desserts will not only make them fresh, but also enrich your diet with important vitamins and minerals. In addition, lemon can be used in the preparation of various sauces and marinades, which makes the dishes more tasty and healthy. Lemon water is not just a drink, but a real elixir of health. Regular consumption of lemon water helps to cleanse the skin of toxins and improves the complexion. Plus, it's a great way to keep your body hydrated, which is critical to your overall health and well-being. Lemon water helps prevent dehydration, which can lead to fatigue and decreased performance. Start your day with warm lemon water and you'll notice your mood and energy levels increase. Lemon has long been considered a symbol of success and prosperity. In some cultures, it has been used in rituals to attract good luck and abundance. A lemon tree in Feng Shui symbolizes wealth and prosperity, and placing one in your home can help improve your financial health. Install a lemon tree in your home or office to attract positive energy and good luck. In addition, the lemon can symbolize your desire for success and prosperity. You can create a ritual where every time you use a lemon, you visualize your goals and ambitions. If you want to bring more energy and optimism into your life, try using lemon in your daily rituals. Let this simple fruit be your guiding star on the path to harmony and well-being. Use lemon to cleanse your space, improve your mood, and increase your vitality. It is important to be conscious of each use of the lemon, performing small rituals with it that will help you achieve your goals. Lemon can also serve as a symbol of cleansing in your relationships with others. If you feel that your relationship needs renewal, try doing a small ritual with a lemon. Place a lemon in the center of the table during an important conversation to refresh the atmosphere and create space for new beginnings. This will help you build communication and improve your rapport. You can also discuss with your loved ones how the lemon can become a symbol of your aspirations and desires, which will help strengthen your relationships. In conclusion, I would like to note that lemon is not only a useful product, but also a powerful tool for spiritual development. Use its power with gratitude and respect, and you will notice how it transforms your life for the better. Lemon can be your faithful ally in your quest for health, harmony, and happiness. Remind yourself of its importance in your life and how it can help you achieve your goals. Don't be afraid to experiment and find new ways to use lemon in your life. Let this fruit be your faithful companion on the road to health and happiness. Discover the amazing properties of lemon and apply them to different aspects of your life. This will help you find freshness and new ideas for development. Applying lemon in your daily life can be the beginning of amazing changes. Its power and energy can help you gain the clarity and freshness you need to succeed. Lemon can be a source of inspiration and motivation for new accomplishments and discoveries. Let lemon become a symbol of renewal and inspiration for you. Use its power to make your life brighter and more fulfilling. Discover the power of the lemon and let this simple fruit become your ally in the search for harmony and well-being. Let its freshness and purity give you confidence and joy every day. Use lemon as a source of energy and motivation to achieve your goals. Let lemon become a symbol of your transformed and successful life. Don't forget that lemon is not only a fruit, but also a symbol of inner purity and strength. Let it become your talisman on the path to success and happiness. Be inspired by the power of lemon and share this video with your friends so that they too can discover its amazing possibilities. Lemon can become your faithful companion in life. Use it to create harmony in your home, improve your health, and achieve success in different spheres. Let its energy and power always be by your side. Be inspired by the power of lemon and share this video with your friends so that they too can discover its amazing possibilities. Let lemon become a source of inspiration and motivation for you. Use it to create an atmosphere of purity and calmness around you. Dear viewers, I hope this video helped you to see the lemon in a new light and inspired you to use its power in your life. If you liked the video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to our channel. If we hit 5,000 likes, I'll tell you about other amazing products that will help you achieve harmony and success. Share this video with your friends and write in the comments how you plan to use lemon in your life. See you later, friends. May the freshness and power of lemon light your way to success and happiness.